before the storm, during the storm, still here. Days before the weatherman drew that line, we were already there, burning midnight. Fuel tanks topped, batteries checked, generators loaded, every system stress tested. Backup pads run, STL loop tight, failover clean in the dead of night. Engineers moving when the sky's still blue, 'cause when it hits hard, that's what we do. While the town was sleeping, we were getting ready, steel and signal calm and steady. Eyes on the antenna, still on the air, frozen towers, but the signal's there. When the lights go out and the phones go dead, radio talks when the rest can't tread. Storm can rage, storm can slam, the broadcast stands, that's the plan. Eyes on the antenna, hear that sound, we're still here, still holding ground. Storm rolled in, ice hit fast, trees came down, poles didn't last. Whole blocks dark, cell towers quiet, no bars, no apps, just static silence. That's when hands reach into dusted drawers. Old radios pulled out once more. Crack of the speaker, voice comes through. Here's what's happening, here's what to do. Phones start ringing at the station door. Thank you for being there, tell us more. Eyes on the antenna, still on the air. When nothing else works, we're right there. From back road farms to city streets, information when the grid retreats. Storm can howl, storm can fight, but we don't fade, we light the night. Eyes on the antenna, Nashville sound, radio up when the rest goes down. This one's for the engineers, hands cracked, eyes burning. 20-hour days, no fear, while the ice kept turning. Climb plans canceled, no climb tonight, so we fight it smart, not with height. Logs kept tight, meters watched, every problem hunted, tracked and caught. Channel rails humming through frozen dawn, stations linked, nobody gone. Market by market, signal to signal, engineers everywhere doing the impossible. No spotlight, no one knows how close it got, how tight it rolled. But every song, every word you heard came from people who refused to fold. Eyes on the antenna, still on the air, broadcast strong when the world's threadbare. When the storm shut down the modern age, radio stepped back on the stage, kicking ass, taking names, through ice, through wind, through frozen rain. Ice on the antenna, hear that cheer, still on the air. Engineers were here, still alive.